So here's my review on this flagpole. It's a telescoping flagpole and it has the little buttons that you push in on it. Well, they don't hold up in the wind. And as you can see, darn thing is slid down, slid down, slid down. Every one of them is falling down. And I don't know if you can see the hole. Hold on a minute. Right there, you can see the empty hole because it has slid down. And so my fix on this, and you can see the top too. Right there, you can see the empty hole. So my fix on this is to drill holes underneath each section and put pins in that you could pull it when you get ready to travel and the thing will drop, because obviously those little balls just don't work during the wind storms. And so a light breeze, no problem, but when the wind gets heavy, forget it. So this is my review right now. Well, now I showed you what I have done to secure that. I ended up only putting a bolt in the bottom, as you can see in the pictures. I think that was the mastermind behind all of them collapsing. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and we'll see how it goes a little bit later. But for 2 years, that's the only problem, and it was probably caused by the mount that I made for it. I think it's holding up pretty good. All right. Safe travels. Best of health to everybody.